Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is my life for Ireland, and I just returned from my trip to Rome, and it's a 3 days trip, a very beautiful, wonderful trip with my friend Melly, and yeah, it's awesome. I shot pretty much everything with the A7RII with this 24-240 lens, super zoom lens. I also brought my Sony A6200 and A5100, but I didn't shoot with these two cameras and lenses at all. Zero footage, zero pictures with them, because I just love using this super zoom. It's so versatile because I always walk around and always on the move in the city, so I just don't get a chance to stand still and shoot really articulated pictures and the scenes. I just run and gun. So this lens is perfect. Next time I learned the lesson. This time I brought all the cameras. It's so heavy. Next time I'm gonna bring only one up, only A7RII and this lens. That's just perfect. And another issue is I'm uploading the first vlog. So the first day I used the external mic, and before I left home, I dropped the muffler, like this thing, so it doesn't muff the wind sound. So it's very noisy when you're shooting outdoors, when there's wind, and the wind noise hit on the microphone. It just disrupts all the sound, all the voices. You can't really hear people talking. So that's really, I got really horrible audio in the first video, which is such a pity because it was a wonderful day. But yeah, lesson learned. We're gonna always use the wind muff, the Deadcat, either Deadcat or this thing. I think Deadcat is better, so I'm using the Deadcat, the furry thing. And another thing is that I shot everything in 1080p, and I shot in standard profile and use +1 sharpness, so I don't have to worry about 1080p being soft, because yeah, Sony 1080p is a little bit soft. I always need to crank up the sharpness, so this way I get sharp image right off the bat, right straight out of the camera. I don't have to add more sharpening in the post. It saves a little bit more time. I think it also looks better because I don't heavily grade them. I just put in a lot, and that's it. So no need to preserve the detail, like minus detail, -7, like the pros do. So yeah, that's the third thing. Yeah, and all the 1080p footage looks great, and I really yeah, it looks great even on the 4K big monitor. So I don't see why I have to shoot 4K all the time, because with the 1080p I can edit more easily, more freely. So there's that. Alright,